Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing video, and today we're going to look at more sentences to know. Sentences to know. Remember we said sentences in Luganda are emboozi z'okumanya. Emboozi z'okumanya. Okay, let's start. These are my keys. These are my keys. Remember in the previous video we saw how to use these are. Remember we said these are is used with plural subjects. So in this case you can't say these are my key. No, because these are is used with plural subjects or items. So keys must be many. That's why we add on s to make it plural. These are my keys. If you had one key, you would say this is my key, as we saw how to use this is and that is. Okay, these are my keys. This in Luganda is bino bisumuluzo byange. We say bisumuluzo because of many. There are many. So bino bisumuluzo byange. Bino bisumuluzo byange. Okay, another sentence. Those are my keys. Those are my keys. A point to note here, we say these are is used when something is near, whereas those are is used when referring or pointing to many items which are far a distant. Okay, those are my keys. Those are my keys. So those are my keys is different from these are my keys. Those are my keys. It's going to be ebyo bisumuluzo byange. Ebyo because you are not close to them. Here we use ebyo bisumuluzo byange because toli kumpi nabyo. That's why tugamba those are my keys. Ebyo bisumuluzo byange. Okay, hope you've noted the difference between these are and those are. Okay, let's proceed. Another one. Tell them, please. Tell them, please. Tell them, please, in Luganda, it is bagambe bo bambi. Bagambe bo bambi. Bagambe bo bambi. Okay, let's proceed. She eats a lot. She eats a lot. Remember we looked at using tenses. So when you use she, the verb you add s because it is present tense. She eats a lot. This in Luganda is ye alya nnyo. Ye alya nnyo. She eats a lot is ye alya nnyo. This is the answer. This is the answer. In Luganda is eno ye answer. Eno ye answer. This is because it is near you. This is the answer. Eno ye answer. Another one. That is the girl. That is the girl. You are specific because you know who you're talking about. That's why here we use that is the girl. That is the girl in Luganda is oyo ye muwala. Oyo ye muwala. Because you are specific about the girl. So oyo ye muwala. Okay, let's proceed. These shoes are dirty. These shoes are dirty. And can you guess that in Luganda? Okay, engatto because of shoes. Engatto ezo ziddugala. That is ziddugala. Engatto ezo ziddugala. Engatto ezo ziddugala. Okay, another one. She bought a towel. She bought a towel. Can you guess that in Luganda? She bought a towel in Luganda. Let me give you some time to think about it. She bought a towel. Okay, the right answer is ye yagula taulo. Ye yagula taulo. She bought a towel is ye yagula taulo. Okay, let's proceed. She bought a towel. Yes, we've seen. She bought a towel is ye yagula towel. Another sentence. Do you believe in God? It's a question. Do you believe in God? Once again, do you believe in God? That question, I'll leave it to you. And what is that in Luganda? Do you believe in God? Is gwe okkiriza mu Katonda. Gwe okkiriza mu Katonda. Gwe okkiriza mu Katonda. Another one. We will all die one day, and this is true. But where are you going when you die? We will all die one day. We will all die one day. And that in Luganda is Ffe ffenna tujja kufa olunaku olumu. Ffe ffenna tujja kufa olunaku olumu. A little explanation about this. We is ffe. Tujja, will. Ffe ffenna because of all. Ffe ffenna tujja kufa, die okufa, one day olunaku olumu. Ffe ffenna tujja kufa olunaku olumu, implying that you have to prepare your soul earlier enough before you die. Once again, we will all die one day is ffe ffenna tujja kufa olunaku olumu. Okay, that is it in this video. Bye bye. Weraba.